Hi there and welcome back. As we head into a new school year, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something that can make all the difference in your child's success, and that's building a team mindset. Because supporting a child with dyslexia can sometimes feel like a battle. You may have already sat through meetings that left you frustrated, unheard, and unsure of what comes next. But what if we reframed the whole thing? What if instead of preparing for a fight, we started by building a partnership? One where you, your child, and the school all share a common goal. Let's talk about how to do that. Step one is start with connection, not conflict. Yes, you may need to advocate hard at some point, but leading with warmth and collaboration opens doors faster than demands. When you first reach out to a new teacher or staff member, I want you to introduce yourself and your child with a tone of partnership. We're so excited for this year and we're grateful to be on this journey with you. I want you to briefly share your child's learning profile and any insights that could help. He does best when he gets extra processing time before answering, or audiobooks have been a game changer for her. This tone sets the stage that you're not here to fight, you're here to support, and you want the same for them. Step two, be proactive with information. Don't assume the teacher has read the IEP or the 504. Instead, send a one-page summary of your child's accommodations, learning styles, and any essential tips, especially early in the year. Attach it to that introductory email and keep it focused with what's helpful, what's hard, and how your child best accesses learning. You're not overwhelming them, you're empowering them with the tools to get it right from day one. Step three is include your child in the process, which obviously is age appropriate. Even in elementary school, you can start involving your child in these conversations at home. What has helped in the past? Is there something you want your teacher to know this year? How do you want to explain dyslexia if it comes up? By middle school and up, they should be part of this communication loop, emailing their teachers, attending those 504 or IEP meetings, or even introducing themselves before school even starts. Hi, I'm Emma. I have dyslexia, and I learn best when I can use voice to text. I just wanted to say hi before the school starts. That's advocacy and that's ownership, and it builds a sense of agency, not just dependence. Step four is define what a good school partnership looks like. Let's be real, this varies from school to school and sometimes from teacher to teacher. How do we know when a partnership is working? Here's what you should expect from a healthy school relationship. To follow through on accommodations consistently. You're looped in on concerns early, not after report cards. You're treated as an expert on your child, not the obstacle. Communication is open, respectful, and ongoing. And you're receiving data on your child's progress, not just they're doing fine. And here's your part. Be honest about what's working and what's not. Show appreciation when things are going well. Give grace because teachers are human too, but never be afraid to speak up when your child's needs aren't being met. You don't have to be that parent. You can be this parent, the one who knows his or her child, the one who communicates clearly, the one who collaborates, but also advocates with confidence and clarity. At the end of the day, this is more than services and scores. It's about helping your child feel seen, supportive, and successful. As you head into this school year, remember, you are the expert on your child, but you don't have to go it alone. You've got this, and together as a team, so do they. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another parent who's walking the same journey. We're stronger when we do this together. And always know that experienced professionals such as those at Dyslexia On Demand are available to help to guide you in making the important decisions to guarantee learning success for your child. For more information or to schedule a personal meeting with me, please go to dyslexiaondemand.com to learn more about how we can help your child.